In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload contacts and segments in Mautic. Let's start by opening your Mautic site and signing in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, go to Contacts. This is where all your people records live, and it's the place you'll manage lists and imports. In the Contacts view, look for the small gear icon, usually near the top right of the table. Click it to open the menu, then choose Import. This will launch the import workflow, which guides you through bringing a CSV file into Mautic. Now choose your file. Select your CSV from your computer and make sure it's formatted cleanly. One contact per row, a header row with clear column names, and ideally a dedicated email column. Email is commonly used to identify contacts, so having it present and consistent helps prevent duplicates and keeps your database tidy. If your file contains accented characters or non-English letters, saving the CSV as UTF-8 can help avoid weird symbols after import. After selecting the file, click Upload. You'll be taken to settings for this import. Here, set the owner if your team uses contact ownership. Next, choose the segment you want these contacts to join. Segments in Mautic are dynamic lists that power campaigns and email sends, so pick the one that matches your use case, like a newsletter list, an event audience, or a customer group. Next, map the columns from your CSV to Mautic's contact fields. You'll see your CSV headers on one side and Mautic fields on the other. Match email to email, first name to first name, and so on. If a column isn't needed, you can leave it unmapped and it won't be imported. Pay attention to data types, especially for dates or phone numbers. Consistent formatting makes your data more usable later. If your file contains custom data, map it to existing custom fields in Mautic where applicable. When your mappings look good, choose how you want to run the import. Import in background is best for larger files so you can keep working while it processes. Import in browser is fine for smaller lists when you want to watch the progress directly. Once you confirm, the import will begin. When it completes, head back to Contacts or open the chosen segment to spot check a few records. Verify that fields populated correctly and that the segment reflects the new contacts. That's it, your contacts are now uploaded into the right segment and ready for campaigns and automation.